Come to this side. Introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Mackerel.
Your name, social, why you pop your balloon?
GX. TikTok, 1GX for the app.
More rice. Your name, social, why you pop your balloon?
Zoom on Instagram, zoom on TikTok. The reason I pop the balloon, she ugly, me ugly. She a monkey, me a gorilla. It not gonna work. She short, ugly, I'm more lean. She find and feel one of them right there around in a cage. She want, first, she want a man who can bring her to Dubai. The first day when I bring my kid is a zoo.
Come to this side. Come to this side. Come to this side. Come to this side. Introduce yourself. Whoa, me that talk, bro.
Good night, guys. Say no, say good girl, and you don't.
The reason I pop my balloon, and could be my grandmother. And way older than me. Rolling me at just 21.
But you can't be a grandmother, bro.
And around 65.
First thing first, don't chat too much. A man will love using mouth and yap. Take with the whole vibe.
Oh, you're like a man or more. You have to read him.
Yeah, you know?
And that
too much.
Okay.
In a bedroom, bag of chattings, cocky dead, everything, pum pum, now go bother want him.
Meet in a real life is a 10.
Thank you.
Oh, she's a 10 out of 10?
Yeah, like here a 10 out of 10, of course.
What you like about
Thank
her?
you.
Yeah, big up, man. I love how she put herself together. She come out nice. And she look good in her clothes. Because it's how she wear the clothes, the clothes we wear. You know what I mean?
Make them know now.
You see this? You see this here, sir?
It's a balloon! Banana chip! Yo! I didn't expect the balloon and find love! Yo, TikTokers, ready? Yeah! Yo! It's the energy for me. I love you guys. I know you miss me. But guess what going on? I plan the video. I'm going to say you deserve it because you like the video. Is it? Let's get into it. The man them, when a girl walk out and you don't like her, you do what? Pop your balloon. And if you like her, what you do? But if you don't like her, what you do? Oh, pop that. Yeah. Yo, make sure big up Live Boss for the visual. Big up my team. Big up Father God. Cause the video, yeah. Yo, my paper link below. Cause the video yeah, is very heavy. You see it? Cause you don't know a superstar TikTok edition. And then bags up. You see it? Make sure you like the video. Just that alone more want to do. Like the video. You see it? Got it like all the time. Chips. Make sure you leave a like. I'm gonna get some energy now. Yeah, I'll pop it, pop. Watch and make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Yo, how am I get 300,000 subscribers? I'ma feel like we deserve it, people. Work feed, we are putting in the work, is it? Yo, watch out, we're big bad sponsor for today, Motor Source, yeah? If you want your cheap, reliable car, Motor Source, is it? 61 Dumbarton Avenue. Come on, let's get it. Clap that, get that, yeah? The man, them on ready? Yeah. All right, then we are bringing the first female, and watch out. The first female gonna be a TikToker. So it's TikToker versus TikTokers, okay? Tell me who no wants in the lineup. Tell me if I do good. Who missing from the lineup? You have to tell me who missing. Is it? Live Boss, my team, big up on yourself. We're bringing the first female. Let's go. All right, ready? Ready? All right. Bring the girl. Bring her in. Come to this side. Come to this side. Come to this side. Come to this side, right here, sir? Right here. Come over more. Introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Mackerel.
Oh, Mackerel, all right. Mackerel, what type of work do you do?
I'm an entrepreneur.
Mm-hmm.
I own my own business.
Wow.
I sell wigs and cosmetic products.
Oh, yeah? What's the name of the company?
Max Wigs and Cosmetics.
Wow, that's lovely. All right, when it comes down to a male though, what's your type though?
I like a man who is hardworking.
Yeah.
Don't live on under his mother's roof.
Yeah.
Him well dressed.
Yeah.
He know how to be responsible.
Mm-hmm.
He know how to take care of a girl, as in, buy my house, camera, land, and the things them.
Stand that up.
And the things them.
And the things
Fly
them.
me out sometime to Dubai, Egypt, India, and the things them.
Oh, so you want a man that flies you out to Dubai?
Exactly.
And Egypt?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All
Yeah.
right. So what's like a red flag when it comes down to a male though?
I like where we just want to sit on our road and mingle.
Oh, you don't like what you call them?
Cruff.
Oh, you know like. Okay.
Yeah, can't take the cruff. I'm gonna like the boy them where me I argue, him I argue back with me and the things them. Yeah, I'm gonna like them boy there.
All right. So what's like a perfect first date for you?
Perfect first dates.
Yeah.
I can go to 5-star restaurant and I pay the bill no matter how I be.
5-star. All right. Show to the social.
So it's on TikTok, it's Mackerel Official, and Instagram it's Mackerel Official.
All right, bet. So we got some pop mackerel, so we're gonna find out why them pop the balloon. Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Your name, social, why you pop your balloon?
GX. TikTok, 1GX for the app. Pop balloon. That's not me. You know what I mean? That's not me. Is it really?
Oh, you pop your balloon because honor you?
Yeah, I'm not meet that criteria, matter of fact. Just say show this and that. I don't feel like say. You know what I mean, really?
Oh, so yeah, say honor you and she not meet her criteria?
Just say show all of them something the way she not, but she just said a while ago. Yeah.
Okay, all right. Come closer. So how much would you rate her from 1 to 10 though?
But I give her a 6.
6 out of 10?
Yeah.
Why you give her 6 though?
Eh?
Why you give her 6?
Because she can put herself together. Like she know her makeup and all of that, her hair, everything. But nice good neat body, but I just, not me, you know what I mean?
I know you.
Yeah.
All right then. Mackerel, what do you think about what I'm going to say? Use the mic.
Oh, you might myself either.
Okay, all right. How much would you rate him from 1 to 10 though?
0.
No, like how much would you rate him from 1 to 10 though?
0.
Okay, all right then. All right. Is your type? Yes, sir? It's
No,
not? Oh.
too black.
Okay. All right, good.
Yeah, man, good.
All right, let's go down the line. Come down right here.
Try
Right, no, right here, so we have to go.
Where we go right now?
Yeah, right here, so we have to do accorded, man. Come
Never
now.
him last?
Yeah.
Oh.
Your name, social, why you pop your balloon?
One band 7 point Instagram. Woman just too nice to me, you know. You see me? I mean, not tell a lie. Mama look good, me look a body neat and sitting, but you know. Yeah, you see up at top. But me don't know. You just too feisty for me, you know.
Oh, she feisty.
Yeah.
But you say, are you type?
Yeah, I'm a little and neat, you know. And he can dress, you know, since he's saying buying clothes them good and put them together good. You look at makeup like him a catch in practice, you know. Yeah, bro, them not too up and not too down. You know, and he'll blend it good and say, he go and look on him makeup, you see, say, not too white. He know his shade and he sitting.
Oh, you know about makeup?
I mean, man, give man doing thing, man. The flowers do, you give flowers, not sure.
Oh, okay. You deserve that.
Only thing you need a little more lipstick.
Like lip balm.
You don't know why name boy like a shine sitting with the sparkling in the night and they have one that make them lips swell up. You know if you know it.
No, I know that one.
They-
Oh, filler.
No, I know if they have a lipstick where they come from China. They lip them so you know what I mean that?
Oh, lip gloss. Oh, using my gear. All right, how much would you rate her from 1 to 10 though?
Yeah, why yet?
8 out of 10?
You look good. Talk your truth, you know, can go on.
You a say, man.
You look good, man. Hermes like Bob. Hermes by foot, my friend. You look good, man.
Mackerel, what do you think about him and what you have to say?
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
How much would you rate him?
Me can give him a 4. Yeah, right. Ain't cool. Yeah, right. He just look like one little, not so hardworking. He look like my sweets man.
So what do you mean by sweets man though?
Like when I want to take care of him. Yeah, he might give me the vibes there. But yeah, right.
What do you think?
Me not too fuck but girl, so probably I be Joe.
Oh, okay. And you say you give him a 4.
Yeah, me give him a 4.
Why you give him a 4?
Cause he's organized, him skin look clean, and the things them, and him shoes clean on him foot and stuff. And can pass you a 4.
Okay. Alright, good.
Great.
Good. Alright, come on to the side. Right, it's over there. Come over more. Your name, social, why you pop your balloon?
Instagram 7. TikTok, don't really have one yet. But I pop my balloon because she alright, but she not my height. She not my type, and she put together and thing. But I don't really see myself with somebody like her. You feel me? Her chest too high for her height, and I don't like that.
So what you say, her chest too high?
Too high for her height. You see me?
Our demand is too much for you?
Yeah. Not even too much for me, but just for her height. Because I'm pretty sure I ain't gonna say much, but you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Okay. How much would you rate her from 1 to 10 though?
With the demands and her height, I give her a 2. Yeah.
Okay. Alright then. Alright. Is she a type though?
No.
What do you think about him, Mackerel? Based on what him say?
First of all, him can dress. Him just look, like, he's a Godzilla.
That's alright.
Second of all, me give a 0. Third of all, you're too black. Fourth, you're not my type.
That's alright. Appreciate it.
Yeah, you look like you got church though, like, you depend the...
looking at you, I probably need Jesus,
Yeah, you look like you got church, you depend the surfer.
Yeah, man.
Team.
Respect, man. Thanks, man. Thanks.
Yeah, not my type.
How much would you rate him from 1 to 10 though?
0.
0. Okay. Alright, cool.
Yeah, man. Respect, man.
Alright, come on to this side. Your name, social, why you pop your balloon?
Jimbo Dion. Pop my balloon, a mackerel that. Mackerel too vulgar. But no problem with her now, she too vulgar. And she cuss too much. Shut up, me and her going to fight and she too short for me. Good.
Okay, alright. So, how much you do rate her from 1 to 10 though?
That girl herself if we go and par with. She alright.
Oh, so she can par with...
Tony well organized. She look good at heel back, no cracky. Yeah, Mackerel, are you that? Yeah, Mackerel. Talk to her now.
Alright, so how much did you give Jimbo? Come in, huh? How much did you give him from?
In a little farmer man shirt and the little donut market pants and what kind of shoes? Jesus, 0. And it aren't like the hell? What the hell?
Mackerel, that's why I never want this kind of black ugly girl.
Look, free and truly. Me and you walk up on the road. You know that the pants?
No, if me and you walk up on the road, people ask what me
and you're not even to make it have an Ian's Marina. What is the wholesale Marina? And the thing them.
Look at girl, have respect, yeah. Have respect.
Like, I mean.
Where the artist stand for your clothes? And River Island, that not name. Oh, go over there, so. Right, say the fuck
I'll take.
One back a 0.
Like a man in a jacket and tie and have the BMW and the things them.
I can't push.
All right.
Yeah, I can't take.
Go on.
All right, cool.
I can't take the ghetto mentality, the ghetto act.
Oh, so he's acting ghetto?
Yeah, he's dressed like a ghetto, looks like I can't see the G, the ghetto. Sorry.
We're still
good.
I'll pass.
Yeah.
Come on to this side. Your name, social, why you pop your balloon? Zoom on Instagram, zoom on TikTok. The reason I pop the balloon, she ugly, me ugly. She a monkey, me a gorilla. It not gonna work. She short, ugly, more lean. She find and feel one of them right there around in a cage. She want first, she want a man who can bring her to Dubai. The first day when I bring Mackerel Party is a zoo. I bring her to a zoo. The reason I'm put the balloon because if me and she have sex, really, the sex I got ugly. The bed I got ugly, the sex I got ugly, the baby I got born ugly. Ugly can't match it ugly. A pretty good ugly. But I give Mackerel a 0. 0.
Okay. Alright. Alright. What do you think about what him have to say and how much would you rate him from 1 to 10?
First of all, Zuma belly is very big. Zuma belly big like him mouth. Second of all, Zuma too loud. Like, oh, I'm a man for louder than me. What me I do with him? Third of all, Zuma like, what is this? What Zuma? What is
size?
Zuma? What is Zuma? What is all this? Zuma, look at the shoes.
The shoes, me know what Adidas.
Zuma, look at you're not my type of G.
First thing first.
You cannot give.
Listen.
You cannot.
Hear me out.
We
Hear me out.
we understand that you cannot
Hear
give
me
me the
out.
life that I
Rolly,
want.
you hear me?
Hold on, shut up.
Yeah, when you was talking, I was not interrupting you, darling. So, but while you cannot give me the life, Zuma, if you have a hard life, what me I do with you? You know, I'm nice, I'm a petite, I'm a neat.
If you have a cost of living.
Zuma, look on this. Yeah,
If you have a cost
it's very high. It's very high. So,
should
of
make a
course,
roundabout.
cost of living is
Black
like,
issue, but that's celebrating the amount that be a black tea, the tea them ratty.
Zuma, look for me. Zuma, you can't stand up. You cannot match up to my standard, and I won't lower my standard for you.
Get this money.
Rolly, listen.
Yes,
Rolly, listen to me, let me talk. I give Zuma 0.000000000 back a pure 0. Zuma, you understand a chance in like that life.
So basically you're saying even if what would you change about him for have a chance in your life then?
Zuma can't. My man for fatter than me and looks. I'm if you fat, me fear bring your weight.
Rebuild.
Zuma, me fear bring your weight. Zuma, you cannot bring your weight. Me do all you on top of me. Zuma, me not press out. Me not suffocate.
Alright, cool.
Saint Elizabeth.
Alright.
Zuma, you favor Westmoreland.
Alright, cool.
Zuma, you favor when Melissa mashed down the whole of Jamaica. Zuma, you favor blackout. Zuma, you favor when body they pam. You favor when body they in a funeral home and the body can be moved. Zuma, you want some bombing fluid. Now argue with me. Zuma, you want some bombing fluid. You can't argue with petty.
Alright.
Top class.
Good.
Zuma.
Good.
I am top class.
Good.
I am
Mackerel.
quality.
Mackerel.
You can't angle the quality because you're quantity.
Mackerel.
Zuma, me
Security. Come. Relax. Alright, good?
okay.
Alright, so the man name without a balloon, please walk with grace for me now.
They don't work.
Alright, Mackerel, we have 2 males right now. Them never pop them balloon. What more you do? We're gonna get to know them. You're gonna find out if there's a chemistry right here, alright? Just please use up the mic, alright?
Okay.
Yeah. Alright. Come to the side, come. Your name? Social?
One Lindsay Machine on Instagram, TikTok, everywhere.
Alright then. What's his question?
How old are you?
26.
What type of work do you do?
I'm a content creator and I am a motivator. I am a good listener and I also give good advice type shit.
Yeah? Good? Come on the line. Your name, Social?
My name is Crank Up. On Instagram is THEO_CRANKUP and on TikTok is Crank Up, CRANKUP.
What's his question, Mackerel?
What type of work do you do?
I'm a male person.
Wow.
I sell penis on the road.
Wow. Interesting.
But I do other works sometimes.
Oh.
That's my night job.
What do you like in a woman?
You.
What do you see that you like?
I'd rather to feel than see though. Can you come a little bit closer? Just a closer.
You want a hug?
Yeah. Feel nice.
Okay. All right. So basically, what we're gonna do, they're gonna ask you question. There's probably 2, and then we're gonna see if they're gonna have them balloon. All right. Good. What's her question, Lindsay?
Okay, so you feel me much?
Not really.
One more question.
One more.
Alright, so you think him from right and you feel him on your match.
You might press me, I press you too.
Huh? All right. That's
Yes, you like prostitute.
Two can play that game.
But earlier, I heard I mentioned say like a bimmer man.
That's rental. We know.
Wait. Why you just say that? Oh, you know if I rental?
You say, look.
See, him can't own a bimmer? Alright, my G. Why you kept the balloon all along?
You know what I say? The reason I keep my balloon, bro. Them I mention such a ugly and thing, but I don't go off a looks type shit, you know? I go off a personality and thing type shit. I'm gonna get for know her and thing type shit. You see what I say?
Yeah.
You see it, bro, so that's the reason I keep my balloon. She seems cool. You know them way they all low. When it comes to tin food, I don't eat mackerel. You see it? But cool them off.
Alright, so why you pop your balloon though?
Because what she said a while ago, bro. I feel me a waste, bro.
Okay.
See how much, bro?
No, as in, is it you pop your balloon because I know you're a bimmer?
Rolling.
No, me I ask, bro.
Watch you know. Just cool them off.
Alright, cool. What's based on him appearance? How much you do rate him from 1 to 10?
10 out of 10.
Alright, is he your type though?
Not really, but you know what? We can't move far with him, go anywhere far with him. You understand? One of them style, them would I
Say
give.
that, give me a thing.
Probably not.
How much you do rate her from 1 to 10?
Can I get a number?
We'll talk about it soon.
Alright.
Want him here.
I'll cool them off with that girl 9 out of 10, bro.
Alright then. Wasn't that much? Walk with grace, woman. Huh? Come on to this side. Alright, Mackerel. So we have 1 meal right now. So what we're gonna do, you guys are gonna ask each other a question because we wanna see if there's a chemistry, alright? So I'm gonna tell you guys when to stop. So he's gonna ask you a question, you're gonna ask him a question, alright? After you guys answer. Let's go.
Alright, you say you don't want a man to live with them parents. But me I plan to move out tomorrow.
Lord of mercy, that's a piece of all those tumble down for me. Tomorrow? Then suppose tomorrow come here still a move. What got?
Tomorrow me I plan this from last week.
So we are going to rent your own house?
Yes.
So we have to contribute to your rent?
No? Yeah, we'll contribute because remember I say I'm the only fans. So me I gonna make content. So in a sense you're gonna contribute because you're gonna make content and the money is gonna come in, so you're contributing indirectly. But you're not gonna give me the money up front for pay my rent.
Oh, Jesus.
I may go give you some of the money. Remember we all make money together.
So I mean you go do the content them together?
Yeah.
So we are going to each other together?
Yes.
And we're going to build OnlyFans together?
I have it already.
And everybody are going to see we together.
Yeah.
Doing it together.
Yes.
And we're going to get 70% of the profits.
So you want 70, I may get 30?
Right. Because I'm the female. I deserve everything.
Well, I can never say 50-50 and me give
No.
you some out of my 50.
Because I'm feeling the pain. I'm screaming the most.
Mhm.
And I'm going to come first.
Yeah, you're sure about that. You're right about that.
I'm right about
Yes,
that.
you're going to come first.
Yes, I'm going to deserve 70% of that money.
Mm-hmm.
But let me ask you my question. How tall is the thing? How big is it?
I don't know if I can see. You know, shoe size, like, man.
I mean,
Yeah, I know.
your shoes is giving 8.
Okay. It's about 9.5 my shoes still.
How long it take for come?
It depends. Everything feel good sometimes. You know, sometimes we're tired and things. So sometimes we can go at least 1 good 1 minute. You know? And
But-
a good day, probably
Alright,
10.
let me tell you now. So, I like the first 3 months, you buy me one BMW, the latest. And then the next 3 months, you buy me one piece of land. And the next 3 months, you invest in my business. Can you do that?
All right, and I like on the first day, you give me some and I like on the first day, we get some head. What do you think about that?
I can't get it up like that.
If you want land and something, you have to give me some head mackerel. What does that tell you?
It's quality.
First day,
It's
first day.
Anybody can
It's
get.
all right. It's okay. If you make me get the on the first day.
We can rearrange something.
Oh, hold on. Alright, someone have to find out because I'm popping balloon. What's the reason why you kept the balloon?
You know, say, all these years, me see Mackerel on the net, me never know that she look good for real. Me I tell her Mackerel, look 90% better in person. Your body nice, your face nice. But I put one by you, no joke. No joke about it. You see, even though we don't match, we're gonna make arrangements after.
No.
Yeah. We can make arrangement offline.
No, you have to do it right here, so.
Yeah, we can do it right here, so.
No, in popping balloon.
Something can work out. Give me back.
You want me to get you back a balloon?
Yeah, he might give me advice, might give me buzz and the things them. Yeah.
Alright, come
You
here.
might check on my
Come
fancy.
closer to me, me say more about the balloon for real. Can you turn around? Can 6:30 make something? That's all more. 6:30, not 3:60. 6:30. That's all more. You're short, you know, I'm tall. I just want to see something. If I go, my bed high, but I want to see if I get a higher bed. You can just come right here and just go like this. That's all. Alright, then I get a balloon after. And then the next girl come in, I get a balloon.
No.
No.
Okay, alright. Come, Mackerel. How much would you rate him from 1 to 10 though?
When I give him 8.5, he's well dressed, he's well spoken, and me know that we got change. You know, turn black a man in them. You know him. You know, can play them like circle beats and so give him some raw fish and so and the things there.
Look on them good. You still feel like the match? Look on them good.
You know, and them feel soft. But I give him a little massage and the thing. You would give him 8.5, well pass.
Okay.
I'm a belly bottom.
Passing there. Okay, alright. What do you think about her? How much would you rate her from 1 to 10?
I give Mackerel a solid 8. She could have get it. Solid 8. Coulda. Probably she get it though. Not even coulda. She might get it.
Look
You know
up your
my
9, 8,
yeah, no, solid 8. But me just say you coulda get it. But knowing me, you are gonna get it. Not coulda, you are gonna get it.
Alright?
Yeah.
Good?
Yeah.
Alright, wasn't that much to them, IG? Walk it grace for me now. Mackerel. Whoa. You come out, but think you did have a chemistry though. No?
I think so too, but I guess they don't meet my criteria.
Oh, who don't meet the criteria?
All of them, the Zoom, the Bind, the GX, all of them and the things them.
Okay, alright then. So it wasn't that much today? Walk it grace for me now, please. Josh, I almost had a match. Bro, we're doing this for real. Today's sponsor is Motorsource. Motorsource have the cheapest car. Are you tired of walking? You, come here. Yes, you, come to this side. Are you tired of walking? Are you tired of walking? Motorsource, come along. You look like a Subaru man. Are you a Subaru man? No. Oh, come on, man, it's cheap. Go in there, check it out, Clean interior, clean, crispy. How it feel? Are you a Subaru guy?
Not really.
Oh, we have Honda. We have Honda. Huh? You like this?
This cheap?
This is very cheap. Once Motorsource is involved, very cheap. How does it feel? Motorsource have the cheapest car. All right? Your first car should be at Motorsource because we have the cheapest car. All right? You need it today. We're gonna give you today. This is your car. All right? Cash or card?
No, cash, but I use card.
No problem. And this is your car.
Just like that?
Yes, just like that. Pose for the camera. And there you have it. Motorsource have the best and the cheapest car. If I'm lying,
One Motorsource here. Cheapest place to buy a car. Believe me.
Wait then. Please like the video. Now wait. Thank you. Alright, watching the people, me I gonna give on a very first hug. A long time in a soon, please, I have my PayPal link below. And next year we're not gonna see our next video because me I tell you, my pocket. Watching, I'm gonna need my hug right now. Can I get a hug, chat? Can I get a hug? Big up yourself, you see it? Thanks for that when I need you. The man, them, ready? Yeah. Yo, let's go. Alright then, we're bringing the next female, alright? Chat, ready? Just look forward, wait until she reach right, so, and we got this. Come to this side. Come to this side. Yeah, come to this side. Right here. Right here.
Sorry.
Introduce yourself.
Hi, good night, everybody. I'm the official.
All right. What type of work do you do?
I'm a YouTuber / influencer, and I have my own store.
Wow. And when it comes on to like a male, what's your type though?
I like hardworking, independent, cute, and all of the above.
Okay. All right then. All right. All right. So what's like a red flag for you though?
Explain.
Like what's a red flag when it comes on to like a male?
Like if I don't know anything about him or just looking at him appearance-wise.
Yeah, like for you. Like what's a red flag? No.
I don't like men that shout at you, men that don't want to go out on dinner, stuff like that.
All right, cool. When it comes on to like a first date, what's a perfect first date though?
On the beach.
On the beach?
Yeah.
Okay. Do they have to like have a...
What?
Jinx, I never seen you.
Does it have to have a budget though?
No, not really. Mm-mm.
No budget at all?
No.
All right then. We got some pops. I just wanted to shout out the social.
The official and everything.
All right, so gonna find out why them pop the balloon. I'll start with right here.
Yeah, come on, no.
All right, your name, why you pop your balloon?
Zoom on and for the reason I pop the balloon. I did this, I did officially. Me and D come like family. After media and the media. But when I get a solid thing, I should look good, she exquisite. You understand? Yeah. That's all.
Also, like it's a family thing.
Yeah, me and her too. You know, and we are co-worker. She don't know how much money me get. Me know how much money she make. Me can't bother with that. Me a TikTok, she a TikTok. Me can't bother with that. But me get a solid 10. Solid 10.
All right. What do you think about him? What him say and based on him appearance? How much would you rate him from 1 to 10?
10, and I feel the same way, so it's mutual.
Oh, he's like a brother to you?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. All right, let's go down the line. Right here. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
7 on Instagram, and I popped the balloon because this is my big cousin blood. You see me? And a big rains to her, you know what I'm saying? All love, straight vibes, you know what I'm saying?
How much would you rate her from 1 to 10 though?
She break the scale for everybody, but it's my cousin, so you know I can't really rate her. You know what I'm saying? But she break the scale.
Or in Jamaica though, they have this thing that they say cousin.
Listen to me, no bother with that.
No, I'm telling him like in Jamaica. No, I'm
get it together, Rolly.
No.
I'm not live in Jamaica.
I'm not saying.
I don't want to hear that.
I'm not saying. I'm just
Jamaica.
Okay. All right. What do you think about him based on his appearance?
10, of course. What you mean?
All right. All right, go down the line. Just use up the mic here.
Okay.
Right here. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
One binds. Me a dear friend. Me can you know, our next thing the breast too stiff. You see stiff breast at your jaw. So that you know
at your jaw?
Yeah, when you breast them too stiff. At the jam, like when you breast them, hang down a little. You know?
Just a little?
Just a little. And I look how these sexy, me go up quick, you know, it don't make sense, man.
Oh, when?
Yeah. Sometimes I take a, you have to know your buckle them, you know. Me want to sit where, me can laugh. Only look on the as me stay, me a pop. You know? Yes, man.
Okay, all right then. How much did you rate her, you say?
10.
10? Mm-hmm. Is she a type?
I mean, browning, skin clean. I mean, you're down in the back and still so. 17 Pro Max, you know, if you want it. Yeah, man.
All right then. What do you think about him based on him, what him say and his appearance?
Yeah, 10, and I'm a friend, so.
Hey, your friend?
Mm-hmm.
Is he a type though? Use the mic.
Not really.
So if him approach her, it's a no?
I love skinny man, yeah.
So you go. So what am I do? Tap
No, meaning like, you know, if you did, so yeah, say.
I know that if
I'm
you
not
did
saying
step on
anything, me not
TikTok, if you just say,
What you know?
teddy bear time. So me don't know all of a sudden, yes, it's just because, you know what,
Leave it alone. Leave it alone. Leave it alone.
If he went to the gym and work on him, you know, you said get him.
No, we're friends. Come the rolling. Move on. You're not gonna gym bands nice. Leave bands alone. You know, see your bands clean. Listen to me. Get it together. Let's go.
All right, let's go.
Yes.
Your name? Why you pop? Your balloon?
GX, one GX for the app. The nice, clean, look good at everything, but I like them more thicker.
Bombat.
Understand?
No, sir. Jake's not picking up. All right.
Yeah, I'm more like a heavyweight, you know what I mean?
Oh, you like?
Yeah.
No, Jake say my
I like big bike, but I to go young, you know what I'm saying? Eh?
What have you
Oh, you like? Well, like, what you mean big? What you mean like?
No, 1,000 bike, you know, to
heavy.
Yeah, like that, yeah. You see, like when the engine heavy, you know what I mean? Eh?
Okay.
I would like tap in the belly, you know. Our style, like. So like big machine. Deal look good, of course, a 10.
Thank you.
All right. What do you think about him based on him appearance?
Jake's nice, man. Me I give Jake's a 10 too.
Is he your type though?
No. He too short.
All right. Good.
Yeah, man, respect me up here.
All right, come on to the side.
Are we going back?
Yeah. All right, so the man named without a balloon. Walk with grace from please.
Them a run with grace.
All right, D. So we got few males right now with them balloons. So what want to do? Want you pop one balloon based on appearance.
Okay. We don't know who we pop.
Just pop one. Wait, she can't talk. She have to do it.
Make it say.
What are you saying?
It's like man.
Okay, bro. Pop.
What's that?
Pop one male based on appearance.
He might try. We don't want to do it.
Who? Anybody you wanna based on their appearance?
What you wanna stop it now? Me can't do it anymore.
You? It up to you.
Okay, anymore.
Okay.
I didn't want to do that. Sorry.
All right, let's go on this side. My G, why you kept the balloon?
Like, man, I lie, bro. If I'm come and think like, but the eyes are and thing type shit, bro. You see it, bro. I like a style and aesthetic and thing. You see it, or smile and thing type shit. She cool them off, bro. Yeah, bro.
That's why you keep your balloon?
Yeah, bro. What the fuck? Give me.
All right, then. How much you do rating from 1 to 10, though?
10.
Can you tell us something, please?
Yes.
Okay, come and tell her, please.
In my ear?
Can you tell it in your ears?
Okay. Tell me.
So, like, on the first time I come, I see like your lips them so fucking nice and thing. Like, no, not like real, you look good and thing. And it's one thing, Like, for real. You ready?
What? Don't kiss me now.
No, I'm not kiss you.
Oh. No, me no. Just if me ready.
I'm not kiss you.
You're frightened me.
Oh, you got that you don't
not kiss her.
Oh, okay.
What are you gonna do?
I tell her something.
Okay, tell me.
Like,
he making me nervous.
no, I'm not. Yeah, I'm not say like, you look so good and thing, like.
Stop it.
What you doing, bro? Bro, alright. You say you give him how much out of 10?
Give me 10.
Give him a 10.
Mm-hmm.
You alright?
Alright, bro, but I get her a 10, bro, like, for real, bro.
How you feel like you pop a balloon?
Me, but because I look kind of gimmicks-ish.
That's why she...
Shirt them and them thing there, bro. Maybe that's why she pop my balloon, bro. I don't know, bro.
Alright, why did you pop his balloon?
Cause he's not really my type.
Good. Oh, man, your type. Oh, I'm not your type.
You're too young.
Good. All right. Good. Good.
Okay.
All right, my G, it wasn't that much. Take up this. Walk with grace. What that?
Oh my God.
All right. All right. So we're down to 2 right now, right?
Okay.
So what we're gonna do? I'm gonna ask them their name, and we're gonna find out if you can get to know them, and we're going to see if there's a chemistry. Okay.
Okay.
All right. What's your name?
Jimbody.
All right. What's his question?
What's your favorite color?
Not a favorite color, Sidar.
Okay, so that means you go for anything interesting.
Any more question?
What?
Anything interesting? What do you mean?
You don't get it? If you don't have a favorite color, that means you date, like you don't have a specific type of woman that you like.
Oh, light skin.
But that's not what I asked. I asked what your favorite color was.
We don't have a favorite color, Sidar.
Okay, so you don't have, okay, move on.
Okay.
That's fine.
Yeah. Good. All right. Let's go. Your name?
All right, my name is Crank Up. Crank Up on TikTok, THEO_Crank Up on Instagram.
What's his question?
When was your last relationship?
I have 5 currently.
Huh?
I have 5 currently.
You have 5 relationship?
Currently.
Okay.
What do you mean?
Yeah, what I mean?
I'm a Muslim. I believe in polygamy.
Huh?
I believe in polygamy. I'm a Muslim.
Oh.
I'm here actually searching for the 6th wife right now.
I lie.
Yeah.
Dear. Okay.
Good.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Come on this side. All right. So they're gonna ask you a question, and we're gonna see if they're gonna keep their balloon still. All right.
Okay.
All right. Jimbo, let's go.
I did that. No question asked about her. I just did that really. This good.
So you're not gonna ask her no question?
I did that. I'm bringing on a date.
What did he say?
He's asking if he can bring you on a date.
Yeah.
Catch me at Hawaii Beach, baby, small island near you.
Yeah, like that.
Come on this side. All right. What's her question?
Anyways, before I ask the question, my eyes are always double sometimes. You can just fix the left one.
Okay. Good?
Yeah. Anyways, you say you have a business, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So me, I'm planning to start up my business. And you feel like you're good with numbers, you can control a business well?
Yes, I can.
All right. So seeing that if me have a business and we are in a relationship, right?
Mm-hmm.
I need a female with no numbers. So may I give you 3 seconds for we do a quick maths.
Okay.
Seen?
Mm-hmm.
All right. 100 plus 125.
What? 225.
Why you say what? Why you stall?
Because I was going to go for my phone.
All right. So you say you have a business. May I ask the next question? Can you spell business?
Really?
Yeah.
No, I can't spell business.
No, I just want to know the type of woman me I talk to. That's it.
Yeah, I know, but I can't. I don't know how to spell it.
Okay.
Yeah.
I feel like she a cap, but when I like it cap, me alone wear my cap, you get me?
Okay.
And then, she look beautiful, you look good. I tell you look better than internet, in person.
Thank you.
But I feel like Jimbo want you more. So I don't really want to block Jimbo. You know what I say? I feel like,
a good boy, a good boy, a
that
good
type
boy.
of guy.
Y'all feel my
Yeah,
energy?
yeah.
Yeah.
All right. So how much would you rate her from 1 to 10 though?
Solid 8.5. Solid.
8.5.
Yeah, personally, I bring with the other 1.5.
Is she a type though?
I like what I like, and when me get to know them, I like what I like.
Is she a type?
I like what I like, and when me get to know them, I like what I like.
Is she someone that you like?
Physical appearance is it, but I like this. I like females that can stimulate my mind. You get me, I say? Yeah. So she not do that yet, because we don't have that conversation yet. Yeah.
Can you stimulate his mind?
I don't want to.
Okay.
Yeah, I prefer Jimbo's mind, honey. Yeah. I want to be in Hawaii.
Based on his appearance, how much would you rate him from 1 to 10?
I'd give him a 6 because of the purple.
You like purple?
That's my favorite color.
Is he a type though?
Not really.
Why?
I like short men.
Yeah, no, that's cap. She just, it's okay.
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 Business, the business question?
No, it was your first answer actually. When you went ahead and you expounded on saying you have 5 relationships and you're looking for another. I'm not gonna
Yeah, that's my religion.
I'm
What's
not
your
gonna
religion? What's your
babysit your
religion?
wives and your baby moms and all of that. So I don't have time for that.
All right, quick question. What's your religion?
Me?
Yeah.
Christian.
Okay, that's good.
All right, good.
Yeah.
Was it not much, my G? Walk it grace for me now. All right, Jimbo. So you're gonna have a chance to ask her a question, right? Good. Ready?
No question asked about the that. Me and tell us I did that. Me no question for ask.
Yeah, but before me ask my big question, I need to ask one question.
Ask and come back. Me no question for that. Look on the that.
Hurry up and ask him.
Him same nana question. So I'm gonna ask you to ask him one question.
Do you want to go on a date?
I mean, ask her that, baby. You can't ask.
I'm asking you back.
You can't ask me back that a man asks woman that, baby.
All right. When is the date?
When are you available? You're a businesswoman.
Okay.
Wow. All right. Cool.
Yes.
All right. All right. Hold on. Let me ask this. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Is it that much for you?
Million, million, of course.
It's how much for you?
Yeah.
It's how much for you?
Yeah.
Do this. B. Use the mic. Is it how much for you?
Uh-huh.
It's how much for you?
Yes.
It's how much for you? So we have a match?
Yay!
Yeah, we have a match. Yo, all right. Can we? Oh, God.
Shut up.
All right. We can walk up together, please.
Again. All right. Okay.
Bro, we make matches even on and off TikTok, bro. I'm the Cupid. This section is sponsored by Jungle Juve. December the 27th, hosted by Rolly So Easy, me. I'll pop. Watch you now. I'm a whole team of forward out, so I need enough for forward out. Is it? It's a water party, foam party, paint party, every party. Is it? More beer, nostalgia, top road. You don't know. 3,000 pre-sold and at the gate 4 grand. Which part I got there? Now Jungle Juve, man. We ready for the road. Alright, watch on man, me I big up Jungle Juve, December the 27th, people. Make sure to get on the tickets today. No, you see it? December the 27th, more beer, you know? See the flyer there? Everything locked in, hosted by me. Body bad. The man them, let's get to the next female, you see it? Yeah. Yes, some energy, please. Alright then, watch out. I need to know how much likes I get on the video. Please like the video. Smaller TikTokers them, the small rank of them, I'm gonna need a part to connect me, but we'll make it happen. You see it? Let's go. Bring her in, yeah. Come to this side. Come to this side. Come to this side. Introduce yourself. Whoa, me that heart, bro.
Good night, guys. Say no, say a good girl, and you don't. Yeah. Of course, right? That's so.
Alright. What type of work do you do? Just use the mic, come over more.
Okay. Social media.
Social media?
YouTube, TikTok.
Alright. And when it comes down to like a male though, what's your type?
Well, my type is, me look for a loving type, hardworking man, strong, caring.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Good, that sounds good. And like, what's a perfect first date for you though?
A perfect first date with a man would take me out on a nice dinner, walk on the beach, talking.
Oh, on the beach.
Yeah, that vibe.
Oh, that sounds good. Alright, so does it have to have a budget?
No.
Alright, that's good. What's a red flag like you don't like about a male though?
Man will chat too much and boss.
Boss?
Yeah, man will love boss. As a meet a woman, you start boss. Me have this, me have that, me have Ray, me have tea.
Oh, you like a more second man where just you have to find out that.
Definitely. Actions speak louder than words. You get me?
Oh, you're right at that.
You get me?
Alright, man. Alright, so we got some pop. More you shout out your social.
Alright, so guys, I don't know, say a good girl, Annie. So my social is Annie04. On YouTube is Life with Annie. On TikTok is Annie's Kitchen. Right there, so.
Kitchen, you're a chef?
Definitely.
Oh, alright, man. Alright, so we're gonna start right here, alright?
Mm-hmm.
Go home. Come. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Zoom on my platform. The reason I pop my balloon, and it could have been my grandmother. And they're way older than me. Rolling me at just 21.
But you can't be a grandmother, bro.
And they're around 65.
Don't tell no lie on 21.
Alright, the reason I pop my balloon, bro. And it's a TikTok, I mean it's a TikTok. It's not gonna work. You see it? It's not gonna work. It's really and truly not gonna work. But otherwise, I'm gonna get a solid 7.
7 out of 10?
Yeah.
Is she a type though?
No, I'm not like one with double with triple my age. If she was 30 or so.
You know, it's
fine.
family thing, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get her a solid 7.
Yeah.
Right here, sir. Come. What you think about him based on his appearance? How much you do rate him?
To be honest, me give him a 2.
Zero.
You can't take it back.
I give him a 2.
Right, that's so. Solid 2.
Why you give him a 2?
First thing first, Zoom a chat too much. A man will love using mouth and yap. Take with the whole vibe.
Oh, you're like a man or more. You have to read him.
Yeah, you know?
And that
too much.
Okay.
In a bedroom, bag of chattings, cocky dead, everything, pum pum, nago, but I want him.
But you don't know that.
Of course, to him love chats.
Oh, you think him attack in a bedroom too?
Of course. My kill the whole vibe.
Bro, my rough. Agony. After me that I'm personally have a different life. When I talk, I'm gonna be doing a lone head lick and face and body explosion. Go along.
Alright, come down to the side. Right here, more here. And come over more. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
My name's Seven on Instagram and TikTok. And I popped the balloon because... Oh wait, how old are you? If you don't mind me asking.
40.
Alright. Well, you seem a little bit older, and I don't really go for older women unless she got her thing going and she got her mindset. Understand? And I do know you from TikTok, but I see that you be going out a lot, and I don't really like that. You know what I'm saying? So I'd rather just say it personal than not say it.
You know, like her go out a lot?
You know, how she going?
Oh.
Yeah, on TikTok and all the extra. Yeah, I don't like all that.
Okay. How much would you rate her from 1 to 10 though?
I'm thinking she a cool person now that I meet her. So I give her like a 5. Yeah.
5 out of 10?
Yeah.
Alright. What do you think about him based on his appearance?
To be honest,
Yeah.
in honest opinion, give him a 8. I like a person with straight up.
Oh, he's honest.
Yeah, right. Some
I
love that.
appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Is he your type though?
No.
Why?
I love a man who can lift me, swing me.
But why you think I couldn't lift you up though? Why you think I couldn't lift you up? You think
Like
I go gym
some
now?
cornmeal porridge.
How much you weigh? How much you weigh?
Hear me I say. You want some cornmeal porridge. Just take the eats.
I don't need no cornmeal porridge. I get dumpling, all type of things every day. I don't need no cornmeal porridge.
Okay.
Right, that you say.
Alright, then good. Come down to this side. Alright, so the man named without a balloon, walk with grace, man, please. Alright, so basically, what I want you to do right now, I'm gonna give you this pic, and you're gonna pop 2 male balloons based on appearance.
Okay. Oh my God. Mm-mm. Fuck. Sorry. So sorry. Bro.
Go ahead. Go.
Bro, please, bro. Why you
No, she not pop it yet, bro. Stop. Stop, bro. She not pop it yet. Calm down. 2 male balloon.
Alright, so
1 more.
that's you. It's
1 more. Alright. This side. Your name?
Lindsay Machine on our platform.
Alright. Why you pop Lindsay Machine balloon?
to be honest, I watch him, you know, I'm taking him thing and stuff for I love him gimmicks, but just not my type.
I just use something like.
Yeah.
Why me any type?
Mm-mm.
I'm gonna tell you something, please and thank you. I don't want to hear, bro. I'm kinda shy, bro.
What you mean, bro?
Tell you something.
You're gonna tell her what?
I tell her something, bro, because I watch her thing, them, bro. I have to make no honey.
So tell her, no?
I look weak. I look like I'm weak. You say like people who can lift you up.
Yeah, I love a man who can lift me.
Can try it now?
Do you think this way can go?
Come, ready. Ready? Ready? Come on,
Radio?
Ready?
You have to radio?
Ready? Ready? Ready?
Do you think?
Ready? Ready? Jump. One.
One never draw a CCM.
Sorry, no, ready. Come on, ready. Ready. Come
Hey,
ready.
man, just pick me up.
Ready. 1, 2, 3. Come on. Come on. Ready. Come on.
One more reason why I'm a puppet, but that's the reason why I'm a puppet. You don't see it.
Right here. This side, come back, chat. Alright, so
You feel me?
what was the purpose of that?
I show my shoes, man. Shoes are kind of squeeze, man. That's why, bro.
Okay.
You're an unfair person, bro, but you seem cool and thing.
Alright. Why you pop his balloon, you say?
As I'm saying, it's just not my time.
Not your type.
It's not my type.
How much would you rate him from 1 to 10?
To be honest, I give him a solid 7.
7?
Yeah.
How much would you rate her?
Give her 10.
10?
Yeah.
Alright. Down to this.
Give her a 10. Because you see this? You see this here, sir?
Oh my god! Oh, what is Bro, what is going on?
What?
I lick them, bro. Nice, bro.
Really?
Bro, what? Bro, it wasn't a match, bro. Walk it, guys, for me, please.
Mm. Bro, G, take a sneak.
It catch, it touch?
Kinda. It kinda.
Alright, come down to this side. You pop your balloon?
Heart broke.
Jesus Christ.
Why you pop your balloon?
The heart broke. This man me act over my band and me easy for Bex, you know.
Bro, you just have a balloon while ago?
Me heart
Come
broke.
on, really?
Can you make madman kiss you?
No.
Madman
bro,
on roadside.
Come on. That's something unexpected, but me never deny. Come on.
You back my band.
Seriously.
Come back your balloon?
Something that's so unexpected, but oh God, man.
Alright. Move on. Your name, why you pop your balloon? Right, sir.
No one Jakes on the app. And it just broke my heart a while ago.
No, not me. Me not forget blame for that. Seriously.
And for me, the man I pick you up, I feel hurt.
No, come on, right? There's somebody to test out him strength.
If you look, you can't test man, you can't do that. You
Come
see
on,
me my
Jakes.
balloon, I tell you about guitar try dead. Up on your foot, the man when I'm playing and it.
Bro, you're pretty thing deep. Yes, when you give me a chance, if you give me a fair chance, but that's okay. That's okay. I get that.
Alright, so you pop your balloon, right?
You don't feel hurt. And she come out nice and everything still. And the meeting in real life is a 10.
Thank you.
Oh, she's a 10 out of 10?
Yeah, I give her a 10 out of 10, of course.
What you like about her?
Yeah, big woman, I love how she put herself together, she come out nice. And she look good in her clothes. Because it's how she wear the clothes, the little clothes we wear. You know what I mean?
Make them know now.
Alright.
I love that.
Is she a type though?
Yeah, I'm type, of course. I'll go to the show, you know? Not like that.
Okay.
She get too much free and like say, oh, me and I got a party, she make a boy wine up.
Nothing like that. Nothing like that. Me right today. Seriously. But as I'm saying, I understand. I do understand.
What do you think about him? How much would you rate him from 1 to 10?
And I like me give Jakes a 9. Definitely a 9.
What you like about him?
And I like me love everything about Jakes. Jakes is very hardworking. A father figure, you get what I say, in positive. You understand what I say? I love him mindset. You get me? Love everything about you. Cool.
And you give him a 10?
No, I gave him a 9.
Oh, 9.
Take off the 1.
Okay, why I never get the 1?
Yes, that the 1 they are gonna stay with me right here, so.
Ooh,
yeah.
Okay, all right, cool. Go down the line. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Kevin, and me pop my balloon. She pop.
Yeah, me pop Kevin balloon.
Oh, and then we'll stay up there, so. All right, I'm gonna ask you, why did you pop his balloon?
All right, I'm gonna be truthful on this right now. Kevin, you're so sweet. You know, I say there's no fault, none. You give me, I get 10 from now, but from walking, I have my eye on one person. You get me? So I just pick and go straight down.
Yeah, man, you like what you like.
How much did you rate her from 1 to 10?
Annie, me can get a 360, me never see a good.
Jesus.
Never see a good. Annie. Annie, you look better in person. You hear that? Just to make you know, you look better in person. TikTok not long for you.
Right, that's so.
All right, so you have to rate?
Yeah, how much did you rate her from 1 to 10?
Annie could have get a solid, very solid 8. The 2, I just know her more than she get it.
Okay.
You see me?
Is she a type though?
Yeah, I like them a little bit more mature. Yes, so yes.
Yeah?
Yeah. So, you know, I like when they know more than me and can teach me a bit, you know.
Yeah.
So, yeah, you know, your range up with her.
You never know, though. You never know.
Is he your type?
To be honest, yeah.
But she just like what she likes.
But just like for me, like.
All right, cool. Come on to this side. All right, hold on. So the man them without a balloon, please. Walk with grace for me, please. Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. All right, so we have one male right here, right? So what you guys are gonna do, you guys are gonna ask each other a question, right? I'm gonna see if we have chemistry, right? Good?
Okay.
You first, my G.
What are your aspirations in life?
My aspiration in life was in most likely to see myself, most likely to see myself in my business.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, owning my own business, my restaurant, 5-star. You get me traveling, you understand me? Basically, that's it.
Any question for him? Your turn for asking my question.
What type of woman you looking for?
I look for one woman who love me and he don't want nobody else. You see, if a man tell me woman fi do one 360, enough you turn round.
Jesus Christ. What kind of jealous man them here?
Rolly, listen to what me I say.
What
You see,
kind of
that
jealous
time,
man them
yeah,
here?
imagine you go bathroom, go piss. You come back and see a man and say, baby, rare.
No, sir, no, my man, you're too jealous. I'm not lying to you.
Right, they just say, oh, you use a 10 and rare, no, use a 9 and rare. Listen, me want one woman will say, listen to what me I say, me did not hear what you say. The man I chat to him and say, that years and now work, check me next week when it hear. Me want one woman will feel me. So you see, until me get one woman will feel me, me not tap keyboard.
So, Rolly, me can say something?
Yeah.
Me want a man when time him go to the road for a girl look good, you can speak the truth right in front of me. Me not lie, babes, a girl they look good, she shape good, body look nice, you get me?
So that means you grab up your body jar too.
Big man would never say if you do it. Me carry you to a club, of course. Me carry you out, of course. Remember me tell you, me even tip her for you, me even bring her over to you. What you talking about? Look here, we're not looking for the jealous type, so that's okay. Maybe a balloon did supposed to be burst.
I saw you go.
Yes.
Oh, so you're kind of jealous because
bad.
Somebody tell her for 360?
First, man, lift him up. Man, kiss him. I know, man.
Bro, you come back with the kiss.
A 360, not a 360, not that.
Alright.
A 360, not that. You see, if I did 1 or 2, I could have said it. But 3. Okay. In a cash pot and see what can go on.
How much would you rate her from 1 to 10 though?
Man, it look good, man. I'm telling you, like, you know. Rest in this. We can get 1 360. Then I go and give me boy your
No.
You see life? Yeah.
No.
Hey,
No.
donkey say earth no level and you see it.
You know, level right, yes, so right, no.
True.
Alright. How much would you rate him from 1 to 10?
Bynes, I get the 10 same way.
10.
You do him come, you know, but Bynes, I get the 10.
Is he your type though?
Yes. Love fuck like me.
That's true.
Bro.
That's true.
Bro.
True.
Bro.
Steve Cocking had no conscience.
How you know that though?
We talk, you know. We're on a little joke.
Vines.
Yeah.
Joke.
With
Vines.
Joke.
With joke.
Vines.
Joke.
Okay.
My dear. Can I tell you?
All right. It wasn't that much today. Walk with grace for me now. Annie, what happened? Like, you had about 3 days. Like, them said you get kissed and
Bro.
lift up on 3-6. No.
As some women I expect.
Oh, boy.
Say that.
All right, so it wasn't that much today. You know what you have to do? Walk with grace for me now.
I get that. Thank you.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Bro. Why would he do that, bro? Why would he do that?
That was a lot. That was a lot.
He love. You just chumbo. Alright, watching the people, make sure to leave a like, subscribe below. Remember with the 300,000 subscriber. I can't get that for my Christmas. Bro, when you just hug me every day. I can't get 300,000. Bro, oh my gosh. Let me get that right now, okay? My G, are you ready for the final female? Yes, yo, you saw them ready? I want to can't like the video. Eh?
Yeah. No.
Banana chip. Right here. Introduce yourself.
I'm Mika Boo.
Okay. What type of work do you do?
I'm an influencer, also a TikToker and a YouTuber.
All right. So, what's your type, Mika Boo?
I like tall guys, brown, slim.
All right. All right.
Yes.
All right. And when it comes on to like a first date, what's a perfect first date for you?
Like a picnic.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, on like river or so.
Oh, you like the nature?
Yes.
Oh, that's good. That's good. And like, what's a red flag?
A red flag is a best friend, a girl best friend.
You don't like a man with a girl best friend?
And I don't like a man who's mean.
When you say mean, what you mean?
Like you don't want to give this woman things and support her in certain ways.
All right. Shout out your social.
Where?
No, give it again. Like, what's your TikTok?
My TikTok page is Mika Body, and my YouTube page is Life with Mika, and my Instagram is official Mika Body.
All right. So we got a pop. We got some pops. Yeah. So we're gonna find out why them pop the ballon. All right. We're gonna go down there. All right.
Okay.
Let's go. Right here.
Mm-hmm. Oh God, Jesus.
Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
GX. One GX on the app, TikTok.
Uh-huh.
Really? I'm not tall, I'm not brown.
Tall and brown.
Yes, it. I'm not sharp. Black means I'm short, I'm black.
Okay. All right. How much would you rate her from 1 to 10 though?
I'm not give her a 9.
9 out of 10?
Mm-hmm.
Is she a type though?
Only some my type, you know, I like them. It is, as earlier, I'm telling you, I like when them heavy. You know what I mean?
Heavy?
Yeah, I like when them up more. Yeah.
So can she get heavy for you?
She could have worked for them, but I don't want. Sometimes them have the body feed.
Okay.
And them eat too much, they might get. You understand?
They might get what? They might get heavy.
No, they might get fat. Let's see, we're not like that, so.
Bro, but you just say you like them heavy, so.
No, thick different from women from fat. You know what I mean?
Like thickers, you like it.
Thickers, yeah.
You like it thickers.
You like them more thick.
Okay. All right then. And you say you give her how much out of 10?
I give her 9.
9 out of 10. What do you think about him based on his appearance though?
I rate him 8 out of 10, and he's older than me, so I wouldn't date him.
Why you give him 8 out of 10?
How long do you know my age?
By looking at you, I know that you're older than me.
Okay then.
She right?
If you have opinion, really, so I go against that opinion. You should be like that.
All right then. And you say you give him how much out of 10?
8 out of 10.
And why you give him 8?
In style, good though.
In style?
Yeah.
You like that about
Yeah,
him?
it's cool.
It's cool.
Yeah.
All right, good.
Yeah, man, good.
All right, come down to this side. Right here.
Yeah.
Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Zoom on our platform. The reason I pop my balloon, me ugly really, me not brown, me ugly like sin. And ugly people don't have no look. She expensive, by looking at her, she's very expensive. And look upon her again, broly, a be a problem, shark girl, get be a trouble. Me used to do with a shark girl, she take my TV off her wall and mash it up. So me now go back to no shark history, but roll everything and I write to. I like her, I ever admire her upon the media. Nice girl. I give her a solid 10.
10 out of 10?
Yeah. If she look a bit more tall, I'm going to bring her home and tour up on my bicycle.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Solid 10 me give her.
How much would you rate it from 1 to 10?
I give him a 7.
7 out of 10?
Yes.
Fair enough.
Good?
Fair enough.
Like that?
Fair enough.
Why you give him a 7?
We just don't like in shoes.
I say go. Say go.
Alright. Alright then, come over here. So the man named without a balloon, walk with grace for me, please. Alright. So what I want you to do, pop 2 males based on their appearance. One more.
You're too galley, you're too galley.
Right here. Come over here. Alright. Your name?
7 on Instagram and TikTok.
Why do you pop his balloon?
Because I said I like dark skins, brown skins, I mean. I don't really like your style though.
You not like his style?
Yes.
Okay. Alright. How much would you rate him from 1 to 10 though?
I would give him a 7.
7 out of 10?
Yes.
Alright. Cool.
What do you think about her? How much would you give her from 1 to 10?
I give her a 7.
7 out of 10?
Yeah, I give her a 7.
Here.
Is she a type?
Nah.
Okay.
I like bougie chicks.
Bougie?
Yeah, she good enough, but she not bougie. I like a shorty that bougie and know herself and know what's going on for her. Isn't it?
She's not bougie enough.
You shouldn't be here searching for
Don't
nothing.
judge a book by its cover.
Yeah, but you shouldn't be here searching for nothing. And I want shorty not here searching for nothing. You understand?
Shorties are the best. You should know that.
I know that.
Okay, alright. Come to this side. Right here. Come over here, sir. Right here. Yeah. Your name?
Yeah, what bites?
Why you pop his balloon?
Kind galley, and he wanna compete with me.
Repeat, why you pop his balloon?
He's galley, girly.
Him girly?
Yes. I feel like he will compete with me if me and him are in an argument. Though.
You mean say me da rub you?
See that, yes.
No, me ask you.
Yes, that's what I'm talking about.
Oh, me glad you put me balloon till cause you know they have a song that say you dirty man, you dirty man.
Yeah.
Leave the people beat the devil alone. Me no go kids me like what me go.
Okay. Kids, okay, good. Alright. You give her how much out of 10?
Me can't answer cause me no go kids meal, me no want there, you know? Me can't answer that one day.
Kids meal? What do you mean kids meal?
Young as me no go underage.
What you call under the age?
Young, nothing under 20.
Age, give the
Nothing
age.
under 20.
Okay.
No, under 20? Or anything under 20 is young?
Yeah, anything under 20.
Okay.
Alright then. Alright. Come to this side. Alright, so the man named without a balloon, walk with grace for me now. Alright, so you have 2 males right now with a balloon. I'm gonna ask them their name and you're gonna get to know them, alright? You're gonna ask each of them a question. Good?
Good.
Good. What's your name?
One Lindsay Machine here.
What's his question?
What's your idea of a first date?
Repeat.
What's your idea of a first date?
Maybe, go to the movie, kid. You know, so them have something new in a movie, we then call 3D or 4D when you sit down in a chair. And it's a move and thing type shit, with a life experience that with somebody type shit, like, you know?
Yeah?
Okay.
That's it?
Or we can, go on a little dinner. Not no big because it reached me already. If you go on something big for your first time, maybe next day you don't hear from the person. If you know what I mean. So something small, and then if you go along good, well, the rest of history next time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good? You said? What's your name?
Marlon.
What's this question?
Okay, your question is, how do you think a woman supposed to be treated?
How do I think a woman is supposed to be treated?
Yes.
Well, it's all the alleys, mentally, physically, emotionally. So it depends on what you're lacking at the moment. If you need emotional support, I'll support you there. If you need financial support, I'll support you there. Get what I say? Physical support in the sense that, build something, I help you carry that. Them like a thing there.
All right. Okay. Any more questions?
No.
Good. All right. This side. All right. So, you know where you like, isn't me?
1 minute.
Huh?
1 minute. 1 minute.
Wow.
So before you pop my balloon and thing type shit, like you say, earlier, the dog say, yo, about kids meal and thing. I don't know if you like KFC, but I love walking at KFC and disturb the place, so I can come disturb. Type shit. And so, that's how I get a look update.
Okay. Okay. All right. So normally I make them ask you a question, but I'm gonna ask. Are you guys keeping your balloon? You keeping yours? Keeping yours? All right, come on to the side. Ask her one question, or we're gonna go back to her. What's the question for her?
My question?
Yeah.
All right. Am I your type?
No.
For real?
No.
What? All right. What's her question?
All right, you say you like tall, light skins, right?
Yeah.
I don't think I'm light, but am I too dark?
No.
No?
No.
Okay. We have more questions?
You want to ask one more?
It's up to you.
One more.
All right. Question. Them say we never ask females them age, But just for safety, I can fix the ear for you?
Mm-hmm.
All right. All right. So, I know the camera not pick up that, but Anyways, we never ask females them age, but how old are you?
19.
Okay.
Good?
Yeah.
All right. So you're gonna pop one male balloon right now. Based on the vibe you're not feeling, yeah? Ooh, it's gonna be. So pop one male balloon. No, one. Pop one. One male balloon. Alright. Good?
Cool him off.
Why pop his balloon?
It's just not my type. I like my type to be clean. Also clean, yes, and brown. You have to keep yourself clean. Like, look here, so at your nose.
What the? Maybe cool them off. I feel shame.
You? Oh, good. All right. So how much would you rate him from 1 to 10 though?
I'll give him a 6.
6 out of 10?
Why you like give me a 6?
Because I don't like your shirt. You just have look of darkness, so it seems like it's dirty.
What do you mean?
The look of darkness.
It's a style.
Oh.
It's a style, bro. Face by a gym. I have to big up the dog, bro. Type shit, bro. What the f***? Is that?
Sorry, I just don't like it.
Yeah, alright. Okay.
Alright?
Yeah, go ahead.
Alright. How much would you rate her from 1 to 10?
Me I'm a fair person, bro. I give her a 9, bro. Me I'm a fair person, bro.
Thank you.
Is she a type?
Yeah, but that's she I'm a type. That's why I keep my balloon. I'm not be unfair, bro. Yeah.
Alright. So it wasn't that much today? Okay, Grace, for me now. Alright, so we're down to 1 right now, alright? So you guys get 2 questions. You and 1 from you, alright? So what's the question for him? Just something very good.
Do you have kids?
No.
Okay.
That sounds serious. That sounds like a good question. What's the question for her?
Do you have kids?
No.
Okay.
2 serious questions. Ask him one more back. Ask him one more question.
I don't know.
Oh, 1 serious question alone. Yeah. All right then. So you guys, I'm gonna ask my question. All right. Father, let's do this. Is it a match for you?
Yes.
It's how much for you?
Yes.
It's how much for you?
Yes.
Oh, bro. Can you believe that? I got this, bro. I know what I'm doing. Good? Is it how much for you?
Can I ask one more question?
Jesus.
Let me ask one more question.
One more question. No.
Mm-hmm.
You agree? Okay. You go?
Yeah. All right. What's the relation or relationship with your whole family? Like, is it a good family?
Yeah, it's a good family.
You love your mama, you love your dada, you love your...
No,
if
I
you
don't have father. No.
No father?
No
All
father.
right. Me not have no daddy either.
Mhm.
Just saying. Sisters, brothers, relationship with them?
Good.
Good.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Last question. That was my last.
Oh, that's it. Is that much for you?
No. You look good. You turn good. I'm not tell a lie. But I just don't want to hear her out. I just want to hear her mindset. She's good. But guess what? She's just a little bit too young for me.
Jesus.
You get what I say? I just that.
So
I
it takes
just-
so long to realize that?
No, I don't want to hear you out. Because maybe me ask them question there and somebody watch the show might hear your answers. You get what I say?
Okay.
Right now, me there look for your sugar mama.
Jesus.
So me can't be the sugar right now. That's it.
Fear.
But you look, you turn good.
Thank you.
How much would you rate her from 1 to 10?
Solid 8.5. The 1.5 we left, I just if me get to know you more.
Okay.
That's it.
Is she a type?
Shawty's like a melody in my head and I can't keep up. Now I'm thinking like na 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 every day. Yeah man, solid. I don't think it, bro. I just that.
Alright. What do you think about him? How much would you rate him from 1 to 10?
A 10.
10?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll get the 10 when I know you. Go for it more. We can turn 20
Nah, May the 14th.
next year.
Yes.
Probably next year we can serve.
How much would you rate him from 1 to... Oh, may I ask her, is he your type though?
Yes.
What do you like about him?
Literally is like you want to know the person more instead of you just jump in a relationship. You want to get to know him more, so I like that about him.
But you say like brown man.
She said me now too dark. She said me now dark. I guess you mean darker than me.
Light man, just light.
Oh, like, no, okay. Alright then. So was it how much, my G? Walk it, girls, for me now. I thought it was a match.
I think so too.
Did you want it to be a match?
Yes.
You like him?
Yeah.
You like him?
Yeah. No, me can't like him, but me like him.
Wow. Jano. Alright. Was it a match today? You know what you have to do?
What?
Walk with grace, yeah? Alright, so people, at the end of the video right now, thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting. If you don't want a part 2, comment below who don't want another part 2 and I'll make it happen. Remember my PayPal link below. I don't know if next year I get our next video. You hear that? Silver. Yes, yes. Big up my team. Big up Father God for the video. God and I like all the time. Chips.
Got this banana chips for you.
No, for you.
This banana chips for you. Say I got this banana chips for you. Make you crunch it, crunch it.
GCT forever and ever we say goodbye.
Girl, them say my team of a boss. Girl, them say my team of a boss. Girl, them say my team of a boss. Road to 200k. Get me and say like, comment, subscribe.
It's a bongo. Alright, look at me.